here we have a selection of pasting brushes. This one is a pasting brush. These filaments are the Mexican filaments. They come from a cactus plant, and they are great because they have a good capacity to pick up paste. And this brush, it's for pasting the back of wallpaper. This one is a little bit thicker. It's a 2-knot brush, so you've got 2 knots with a metal ferrule there. Again, it's with the Tampico Mexican filament, all natural filament, and being a little bit thicker, you will have more paste held within the filament for pasting the back of wallpaper. This brush here, it has these beautiful long filaments. It will hold a lot of paste, and being with the wider ferrule here, being a big brush, would be great when you are pasting onto a wall, holding a lot of paste, and you'll get a really good coverage pasting onto the wall.